In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and upload a custom browser icon or favicon for your website using Canva and your website dashboard. We'll start inside Google Chrome by opening Canva in a browser tab. Once Canva is open, create a new design and set up a clean square canvas with dimensions of 512 by 512 pixels. This size works well for a favicon because it gives you a balanced, high-quality square layout that can scale down properly when displayed in a browser tab. On that canvas, create a simple, bold icon graphic. Keep the design clean and easy to recognize because favicons appear very small once they're live on a website. Thin details, small text, or overly complex elements usually won't display clearly, so a strong, minimal icon is the best choice. After your icon is ready, download the design as a PNG file with a transparent background. That transparent background is important because it helps the icon look clean and professional across different browser themes and devices. Save the file somewhere easy to find on your computer, such as your downloads folder, since you'll need to upload it in the next part of the process. Next, switch back to your website dashboard. From the management sidebar, go into the website settings area, then navigate to website, then website tools, and then browser icon. If your dashboard layout looks a little different, you can also use the settings search bar and type in favicon to get to the same location more quickly. Different platforms sometimes label this setting slightly differently, but browser icon and favicon usually refer to the same thing. Once you're in the correct section, look for the browser icon placeholder area and click the Add Image button or icon inside that container. This will open the Upload tool. From there, choose the square Canva graphic file you just downloaded from your computer. Locate it in your local files, select it, and confirm the upload. After the image has been added, click Save to apply the change. That final step updates your website's browser icon so it can begin appearing in browser tabs, bookmarks, and other places where your site identity is shown. If you don't see the favicon update immediately, that's normal. Browser icons can sometimes take a little time to refresh because of caching. If needed, reload the page or check again after a short wait, and that's it. You've created a custom favicon in Canva and uploaded it to your website successfully.